this together just to test the transmission. So we're in first gear. Yep. Okay, then this peak is neutral. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Transmission has to be moving for it to shift. And there is no sixth, so it looks like a good blur. That's it. Downshift. Fourth. Third. Neutral. First. So. Yep. Next thing is to get this off and change this and put the bottom end together. So, take that out of this. This thing here, can't get it off. I have this thing to get it off. But if you can see, it's bent really bad from the last one I did. It bent it. It's not taking this one off now, so I have to get a new one, or whenever I get this, take the machine so they get it off for me so I don't have to deal with it. But, alright, I'll try this again. Are they going to move it? Nope, it didn't.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel for more dirt biking videos like this one. And don't forget, you can leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.